Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am your grade 4 English language teacher, and today I'll tell you something about sentence and the various ways of expressing sentence. So a sentence can convey a statement, question, exclamation or command. So now one by one I'll be explaining you what these terms mean. Now, the statements is a sentence that gives you information. It's just a sentence. It's just like you are telling something in a line. Like everyone, for example, everyone enjoyed the soup. This is no order, no exclamation and no question. It's just a simple sentence. I am going to the market. Like that. Now, second thing is question. Question, everyone is knowing. Question is a sentence that is used to find out something. For example, you can ask any question. What are you doing? Where are you going? What is this? So this is simple. Now the third thing is command. Command is when you are ordering something. You are giving order to something. In a sentence, when you are giving order to someone or something, that means a command. So a sentence that tells you to do something is called a command. For example, bring me an onion, do this work, finish this work on time. Whatever order we are doing in a sentence, this is called a command. Then comes exclamation. Exclamation is a sentence that expresses strong feelings. When you are saying, for example, you are saying, "Hurrah, I won the match," or "Wow, it is amazing." And in exclamation sentence, you have to put an exclamation mark. Can you see the exclamation mark? So, when you are expressing your intense or your happy feelings, or when you are sorrowful, you will use the exclamation. In this reference, you are given the homework of do question A of page 15 in copy. I will give you this homework in the WhatsApp group. Then I have given one thing in homework, how to change statements into questions. For example, a simple sentence is, "It's not a magic stone." Now, how will you change into question? Is it not a magic stone? And of course, after the question, you will put a question mark. So, it will become a question. Now, change these statements into questions. Number one, he took out a pen. Now, it is just a statement. Now, when you have to change it into question, first you have to add did, and then took will become present. Took is past tense, so you will change it into present. He took out a pen. Did he? Took will become take, out a pen and question mark. In the same way, he tossed the onions into the soup. So what will it become? He, T-O-S-S, toss. Did he toss the onions into the soup? And the question mark will come. Then he packed up his pot in his sack. It's just a statement. How will you make it question? Did. In the same way, did you will put did he. Packed will become P-A-C-K. Pack up his pot in his sack and a question mark. Now, the last question you have to do is that pick and write any 10 nouns from the story. You know, noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So you can find out so many nouns. You can pick out 15 nouns also, like cabbage, tomato, potato. So many nouns. You will write them, list them down and write it in your copies. Okay, Allah Hafiz. This was your homework. See you. Khuda Hafiz.